Did you know that you can generate your own QR code in Word, Excel, or PowerPoint? Now, let's say you have a channel on YouTube, like this is my channel on YouTube, and I have this URL. Now, instead of sharing this with people, it might be too hard or too long to type in. You can instead generate a QR code during a presentation. Now, all you have to do is go to Insert, get add-ins, then it will take you to the store. Come over here and search QR. Then the one that you want is the QR for Office. So I'll click Add, Continue. And then it'll appear at the right side of your window. Now from here you can paste your URL link. So I'm going to come here, copy this, Control C, copy, come over here, paste it. So that's my URL, and then it's going to generate a QR code for me. Now I can even change the color and the background color. I can manipulate the size, I can make it larger, but I'll leave it at that. And then it will give you a preview, and then you can click Insert. And then it will insert the QR code for you. And from here now you can move it wherever you want it.